Then HaKadosh Baruch Hu says, by the way, I know that you're going to build my Mishkan, but don't allow yourself for a second to think that just because you're doing a mitzvah that allows you to make a sin as a result. When Shabbat comes, building the Mishkan is forbidden. And we learned the 39 melachot of Shabbat, the 39 restrictions of Shabbat from the building of the Bet HaMikdash. 39 things that were used to build the Bet HaMikdash are specifically forbidden to do on Shabbat. Whether it's erasing, writing, building, destroying, and so on and so forth. So HaKadosh Baruch Hu tells us the Shabbat is a testament that you believe in God. The Shabbat, a Jew that observes Shabbat is testifying that they believe that God runs the world. God created the world in 6 days and stopped creating on the 7th. A Jew that desecrates Shabbat is in essence saying that they do not believe that God created the world. They believe that maybe Darwin created it, or maybe the amoeba created it, but not God. They said, no, I believe in God, I just don't keep Shabbat. Well, according to God, you don't believe in God. Why? Because if you believed in God, you'd follow His laws. It's hard. No problem. Marriage is hard, but people still want to do it. Having kids is hard, people still want to do it. Working is hard, but people still want to do it. Why? Because they believe in the idea. If you believed in God, you would actually follow His laws.